Hello guys, welcome to another new video. Today we will be doing a lot of scalp trades. That's why the video is going to be a bit long, but there will be a lot to learn. I will do scalping trading in New Zealand versus US dollar, and I will tell you with proper technical analysis for which reason I am trade applying. First we will apply the trade for which I am increasing the lot size. I will place 5 trades of 2 lots here, which is according to my risk capital. I know how much I will lose. My loss is as much as I can bear. Today we will learn many new things which have never been learned before. I am uploading such a video for the first time on my channel, that's why watch the video till the end. You will know how the market pattern is made. Guys, our trade is applied. I have $3,700 in this account which we will try to grow from scalp trading. Here we will follow the proper rules. Our trade was applied at the right time. The market is falling fast. Here we have got a very good opportunity, which will be used in a very good way. We may find it difficult to understand trend, but for clear trend we have to create trend channel. For this I am taking trend line, which will be placed here because the market is going in an uptrend on a large time frame. Here we will try to connect the trend line with all the lower points. The market has given a low breakout on this trend line, which has created a selling opportunity. I am opening a 5-minute chart on time frame from which we can easily draw the trend line. Taking another trend line here which will be applied on the higher high point with the same angle. The market was running in an uptrend a few hours ago, but now going towards downtrend. The timing of our entry was perfect so that the loss would be small and profit will be doubled in loss. Here's our trend channel doing the right thing, in which small uptrends and downtrends can be seen, which we can easily make trend channel inside trend channel. Now we will create the supply demand area, for which I am using rectangle tool. We'll place this rectangle tool here because most support resistance points will be found here only. We'll try to cover as many points as possible so that we can get the right analysis. The market has been respecting this level for a long time, due to which we will get a lot of profit and the right signal for this trade. Here the market first took resistance and reversed down by forming double top. Strong support resistance level starts from this point. The market broke the level here and took support and saw a good upward move, due to which the resistance becomes support strategy properly is working here. After a few hours the market took support at the same level and we got to see multiple bullish candles. But here the market has broken the trend line along with the strong support resistance level. High probability chance the market will go down from here because the market is following all the levels perfectly, so that we can see good move like down. We have applied selling trade with this expectation. Now let's put stop loss and target point, which is very important here. My stop loss will be up 10 pips, which will be inside the trend channel and above the strong support resistance level, and my target point would be more than double the point, which is 25 pips. There are high chances of the market going up to this point so that we can get a good profit. Guys, my profit is running around $114, which we will grow with proper psychology and risk management. I quickly set stop loss and target point. All our work has been completed, all our levels are working perfect if our analysis is correct, so we can easily achieve our goal. We have tried our best to analyze. What will happen next is not in our hands. We will patiently wait for the target to hit. Till then, enjoy the video. I am doing 100x video speed so that we don't waste our time. See you in a few minutes.
You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. Fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la.
Guys, here we have to close the trade because the market is changing its trend from which our stop loss can be hit, which you will understand later. We waited for a long time, but the market did not hit our target, and now the market is going back in uptrend where our stop loss is very likely to be hit. That's why we will close the trade. My profit is running around $314, much less than we expected. The market has given the signal of uptrend due to which the trades are closing. We grew our account from $3,700 to $3,950. We will try to grow it. Guys, market is starting to go up here. I am applying for buying trade of same lot size. We have got a good buying opportunity here. Maybe our goal will be achieved in this trade. Our target was just a short distance away in the previous trade, but the market reversed before the target point. I will again apply 5 trades of 2 lots here because I am following proper risk management. Our loss is running at $140 because the market is going against us for retest. Let me now explain to you through the trend channel why I have placed the buying trade. The market has been sideways here for a long time, because of which we could not reach our target. Now we'll create downtrend channel here from which we will easily know how the market is changing its trend. For this I am using trend line, which will be placed here, will connect all the points well with the trend line, because the more our trend line is correct, the more our analysis will go in the right direction. Now take another trend line which we will connect to the lower low point of the downtrend. This trend line will act as support. Here our downtrend channel is working perfect. Now let's combine that downtrend channel with the uptrend channel. That gives us gun strategy here. We can manage the trade well by applying double strategy. Guys, you can clearly see how the market has changed its trend. With this you will also get a good idea of the pattern of the market. The market is trending first sideways, remains. After completing the trend, the circle goes on and on. Now we will make strong support resistance level again, because the level from where the market has reversed is very important in the future. The market can record us again at this level. I am again using the rectangle tool. At this level the market has reacted a lot, which allows us to see the reverse. The market went up again and again, taking multiple support, and finally we got to see the trend line breakout. Here we see another support level that I am drawing. I'll use the rectangle tool again, put it here, because the market has reacted here quite a few times now. You must be understanding all the points very well. We should analyze the market from all sides, which increases the probability of winning. Where we just draw the rectangle tool, market will go up taking support from there. Let us now set the stop loss and target point. Our analysis is complete. My stop loss will be below 10 pips, which will be below the strong support resistance level, and inside the downtrend channel. Stop loss will be hit if market goes against us, and the target point will be up 20 pips, where the market will make new higher high. Till here we can see good move. Guys, my current profit is $160. Last time we failed to goal achieve, but this time we will try our best to complete the goal. Now we have to wait when the market achieves our target. If the market will change the trend again, so we have to change the trade again. Do this only if your analysis is correct. Let's see what will happen in our hands. Only we have to place trade and do analysis. No one knows where the market will go next. I am doing 100x video speed. See you after some time. Guys, market is reversing again here. We have to close the trade. Our target is not achieved. The market went up for a short distance. After that it is changing its trend again, so that we could not reach the target again. We are neither in profit nor in loss. The market has returned from where we had applied for the trade. Now we have a loss here, because the market will go against us. Our analysis was correct, but the market did not go according to our setup. So far we have been able to grow the account a little. I will apply trade here again on the downside, because the opportunity of selling has been created here. I'll use the same lot here, because we are growing account with proper risk management. Guys, we have successfully applied trade where our loss is running around $200. Let's see what happens in this trade. Both the posterior analysis were correct, but the market did not hit our target. Where we draw level, the market has reacted at that point. Now we will do further analysis. so that we can know the pattern of the market. For this I am again using trendline because we are creating a new uptrend channel here. I'm taking another trendline that will put on the higher high. This trendline is acting as resistance. Now we will merge the downtrend channel with the new uptrend channel, which will create 3 trend channels here. That's how the market always works. That's the nature of the market. Now you will understand better how market patterns are formed. This is the simplest analysis one can do. Where we first draw the support resistance level, the market has reacted at the same level. Here the market took the first multiple resistance and later broke it and used it as a support. Always with trendline breakouts for trade confirmation, look for breakouts even at strong support resistance level so that we can avoid wrong signal. Here our stop loss will be 8 pips up, which will be inside the trend channel. If the market reverses again, our stop loss will be easily hit. My target point here is 18 pips down. That should be a hit this time. We're being very patient with target. Guys, market is just a short distance from our target. Now we are running $1,122 profit. I put stop loss and target point. This time it is expected that the target will be achieved soon because the market is going down very fast. Let's see what result the market gives this time. We will accept whatever. Let's meet after some time. Till then, enjoy the video.
Say that it feels right, it feels right, it feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right, it feels right, it feels right, yeah. I can only say that.
Our target is about to be hit. We will not close the trade before the target is hit. Congratulations guys, our goal is achieved. We had to be very patient with this goal. Let's close the trade now. Our profit is running around $1,450. We've waited a long time for this profit. We had $3,700 in this account, which has grown to $5,608. Finally, we were successfully to grow our account. I hope you got to learn a lot. This is very simple analysis where we can make good profit. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. Like the video if you like it. It takes a lot of effort for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, always keep learning, keep moving forward.